Welcome friends, in this module we discuss eigenvalues part 2. Apart from the methods discussed in the last module for finding the eigenvalues of a given square matrix, many other methods are available to use in different situations for finding the eigenvalues. Some of them are Givens method, Householder's method and QR method. We discuss these methods in this session. Givens method. Consider a real symmetric matrix A. One can use the Jacobi method to find the eigenvalues of A. In Jacobi method, the off-diagonal elements made 0 in one step may not remain 0 in successive steps. Givens method preserves the zeros in the off-diagonal elements once they are created. Givens method develops through three phases. In the first phase, the given square matrix A of order n reduces to a tridiagonal matrix B or band matrix of bandwidth 3 with unchanged characteristic roots through 1 by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 orthogonal transformations. In the second phase, form a Sturm sequence for the characteristic equation of B. Studying the sign changes in this sequence, the eigenvalues of B is determined. In the third phase, the eigenvectors of B and thereby the eigenvectors of A are found. The matrix A is reduced to a tridiagonal form using orthogonal transformations as in Jacobi method, but here we consider a square matrix S1 of dimension as that of A with the 2-tooth, 2/3, 3-tooth and 3/3 elements are respectively cos theta, minus sin theta and cos theta, and all other elements except the diagonal elements are 0 and the remaining diagonal elements are 1, which is as follows. S1 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, etc. 0, 0 cos theta minus sin theta, 0, etc. 0, 0 sin theta, cos theta, 0, etc. 0, etc. with the last row 0, 0, 0, etc. 0, 1. Find A dash, that is equal to S1 inverse A S1. Let the matrix A dash be denoted by Aij dash. The angle theta is obtained by putting the elements A13 dash and A31 dash of A dash, such as A13 dash equal to A31 dash equal to 0. This gives minus A12 sin theta plus A13 cos theta equal to 0. This implies tan theta equal to A13 divided by A12. With this value of theta, perform S1 inverse AS1 and produce 0 in the 3-1 and 1-3 cells. Now consider a square matrix S2 of dimension as that of A with the 2/4 subspace, that is 2-tooth, 2/4, 4-tooth and 4/4 elements are respectively cos theta, minus sin theta and cos theta with a new theta, and the remaining diagonal elements are 1 and all the off diagonal elements are 0. Proceed as earlier and obtain theta such as A14 dash equal to A41 dash equal to 0. This would not affect zeros obtained earlier. In the same way, make the elements A15 dash equal to A51 dash equal to 0, etc. A1n dash equal to AN1 dash equal to 0. Then make the elements A24 dash equal to A42 dash equal to etc. equal to AN2 dash equal to A2n dash equal to 0. After a total of n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 transformations, we get a tridiagonal form B for the given matrix A in the form B equal to the matrix with rows alpha 1, beta 1, 0, etc. 0, beta 1, alpha 2, beta 2, 0, etc. 0, 0, beta 2, alpha 3, beta 3, etc. 0, etc. and with the last row 0, 0, 0, etc. beta n minus 1 alpha n. We have already mentioned that A and B are having the same eigenvalues. Hence, it requires finding the eigenvalues of B. If beta I not equal to 0 for I equal to 1, 2, etc. and minus 1, then the eigenvalues are distinct. Expanding by minus, the sequence F1 satisfies F0 equal to 1, F1 equal to lambda minus alpha 1, etc. Fr equal to lambda minus alpha r into Fr minus 1 minus beta I minus 1 square into Fr minus 2 for 2 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. It can be verified that f1 is the characteristic polynomial of b, that is f1 equal to determinant lambda I minus b. When any of beta I values becomes 0, then the system degenerates as b equal to the matrix with p 0 0 q. Then f1 equal to determinant lambda I minus b equal to the characteristic polynomial of p into the characteristic polynomial of q. If none of beta I values are 0 for I equal to 1, 2, etc. and minus 1, then the sequence f1 is a Sturm sequence. Using Sturm's theorem, one can approximate the eigenvalues and can improve the estimates by repeated bisection. Problem. Use Given's method to find eigenvalues of the matrix A equal to the matrix with rows 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Solution. Order of the given square matrix is 3, hence 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 by 2, that is only one operation is required on A to get a tridiagonal matrix with the same eigenvalues of A. Here S1 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0 cos theta minus sin theta, 0 sin theta cos theta, where theta is found by tan theta equal to A13 by A12. From the given matrix tan theta equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. This gives theta equal to 63.4349. Then sin theta equal to 2 by root 5 and cos theta equal to 1 by root 5. So, S1 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 5 minus 2 by root 5, 0, 2 by root 5, 1 by root 5. This implies B equal to S1 inverse A S1 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 5, 2 by root 5, 0, minus 2 by root 5, 1 by root 5 into the matrix with rows 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1 into the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 5 minus 2 by root 5, 0, 2 by root 5, 1 by root 5. This implies B equal to the matrix with rows 1, 2 root 5, 0, 2 root 5, 2.6 minus 1.2, 0 minus 1.2 minus 0.6. This is a tridiagonal matrix. F3 equal to the determinant lambda I minus B. This implies F3 equal to determinant of the matrix lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda minus the matrix with rows 1, 2 root 5, 0, 2 root 5, 2.6 minus 1.2, 0 minus 1.2 minus 0.6. That is equal to the determinant of the matrix with rows lambda minus 1 minus 2 root 5, 0, minus 2 root 5, lambda minus 2.6, 1.2, 0, 1.2, lambda plus 0.8. With Sturm sequences f0 equal to 1, f1 equal to lambda minus 1, f2 equal to determinant lambda minus 1 minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 lambda minus 2.6, that is equal to lambda square minus 3.6 lambda minus 17.4, and f3 equal to lambda cube minus 3 lambda square minus 21 lambda minus 9. Here f3 of minus 3 equal to 0, f3 of minus 1 equal to 6 which is greater than 0, f3 of 0 equal to minus 9 which is less than 0, f3 of 6 equal to minus 27 which is less than 0, f3 of 7 that is equal to 40 which is greater than 0. Then minus 3 is one of the eigenvalue, another eigenvalue is in between minus 1 and 0, and the third eigenvalue is in between 6 and 7. Householder's method. Householder's method differs from Given's method only in the manner of which tridiagonalization is done. Given's method needs n-1 into n-2 by 2 transformation for an n-dimensional matrix to reach a tridiagonal form with the same eigenvalue of the starting matrix. But the calculation reduces to half in Householder's method than Given's method for tridiagonalization. All the remaining works are same for finding eigenvalues in both these methods. In Householder's method, first we consider the orthogonal transformation of the form P equal to 1 minus 2 W W transpose, where W is a column vector such that W transpose W equal to 1. P is symmetric because P transpose equal to I minus 2 W transpose the all transpose, that is equal to P, and P is orthogonal because P transpose into P equal to I minus 2 W transpose the all transpose into I minus 2 W transpose, that is equal to I minus 2 W transpose into I minus 2 W transpose, that is equal to I minus 4 W transpose plus 4 W transpose into W transpose, that is equal to I. The vector W's are constructed with first r minus 1 components of W as zeros. In the first transformation, we consider r equal to 2 and consider W2 equal to 0, x2, etc., xn, the all transpose. Then get P2 equal to I minus 2 W2 transpose. Then find A2 equal to P2 inverse A P2. We have P2 inverse A P2 equal to P2 transpose A P2, that is equal to P2 A P2, since P2 is symmetric and orthogonal. Hence, A2 equal to P2 A P2. Here we find x values of W2 such as getting 0 in the 1/3, 1/4, etc., 1/n positions and in the corresponding positions in the first column of A2. Hence, first transformation gives n minus 2 zeros in the first row and first column of A2. Next, we find A3 equal to P3, A2 P3, where P3 equal to I minus 2 W3 transpose and W3 equal to 0, 0, x3, x4, etc., xn, the all transpose. In this transformation, we find x values such that we have zeros in 2/4, 2/5, etc., 2 positions and in the corresponding positions in the second column of A3. Proceed like this for r equal to 4, 5, etc., n minus 1 and get the matrix AR equal to PR, AR minus 1, PR as a tridiagonal matrix. Now, we use the method described in Given's method for finding eigenvalues of the given matrix using the tridiagonal matrix obtained. The following example illustrates the householder's method for transforming a given real symmetric matrix in tridiagonal form. Let the matrix A equal to the matrix with rows 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Consider W2 equal to 0, x2, x3 transpose. Then P2 equal to I minus 2 W2 transpose, that is equal to the matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2 into the matrix with rows 0, 0, 0, 0, x2 square, x2, x3, 0, x2, x3, x3 square. That is equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2 x2 square, 0 minus 2 x2, x3, 0, 0 minus 2 x2, x3, 1 minus 2 x3 square. X2 square equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus A12 into sine of A12 divided by S1 are found such that the 1/3 element of A2 equal to P2 A P2 is 0. This element is 0 only if the corresponding element in AP2 is already 0. For a matrix A with rows A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, the condition that 1/3 element of AP2 is 0 gives x2 square equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus A12 into sine A12 by S1, where S1 equal to square root of A12 square plus A13 square and x3 equal to A13 into sine of A12 divided by 2 S1 x2. Therefore, here x2 square equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This implies 1 minus 2 x2 square equal to 1 minus root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2, and x3 equal to 1 divided by 2 into root 2 x2. This implies 2 x2 x3 equal to 1 by root 2. Also, x2 square plus x3 square equal to 1. This gives x3 square equal to 1 minus x2 square, that is equal to 1 minus root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and 1 minus 2 x3 square equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 minus of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Now, P2 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Then P2 A P2 equal to the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into the matrix with rows 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 into the matrix with rows 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. That is equal to the matrix with row 2 minus root 2, 0, minus root 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is a tridiagonal form. QR method. QR method is based on the fact that a real square matrix A can be factorized as A equal to Q into R, where Q is orthogonal and R is upper triangular. The method includes the construction of orthogonal matrices P1, P2, etc. Pn minus 1, so as Pn minus 1 into Pn minus 2, etc. into P2 into P1 into A equal to R, and let Q transpose equal to Pn minus 1 into Pn minus 2, etc. into P2 into P1. This gives Q transpose into A equal to R. Pre-multiplying by Q gives A equal to Q into R. Before discussing the method of constructing PI matrices for the factorization of A as Q into R, we described the way for finding eigenvalues of A through its factorized form as Q into R. For this, let A1 equal to A, Q1 equal to Q and R1 equal to R. Set A2 equal to R1 into Q1 and then do the factorization of A2 in the form A2 equal to Q2 into R2. Now, set A3 equal to R2 into Q2 and do factorization of A3 as A3 equal to Q3 into R3. Continuing like this and get AM equal to QM into RM for M, where the matrix AM tend towards a triangular or nearly triangular form. Now, it is easy to find the eigenvalues of A. If A be a real square matrix of order n with eigenvalues satisfying mod lambda 1 greater than mod lambda 2 greater than etc. greater than mod lambda n greater than 0, then the matrices AM in the QR method will converge to an upper triangular matrix with diagonal entries lambda k for k equal to 1, 2, etc. n. If A is symmetric, matrices AM converge to a diagonal matrix with the eigenvalues on the diagonal. For QR factorization of A, first to find P1, so as the product P1A is a matrix with all the elements of the first column except the first element are 0. That is, if the matrix A, that is the matrix with rows A11, A12, etc., A1n, A21, A22, etc., A2n, etc., AN1, AN2, etc., ANn, P1 is in such a way that P1 into the matrix with rows A11, A12, etc., A1n, A21, A22, etc., A2n, and with the last row AN1, AN2, etc., ANn equal to the matrix with rows A11 bar, A12 bar, etc., A1n bar, 0, A22 bar, etc., A2n bar, etc., with the last row 0, AN2 bar, etc., ANn bar. P2 is found in such a way that P2 into P1 into A produce 0 except the first two elements in the second column of the matrix P2 into P1 into A. The procedure repeats so as getting an upper triangular matrix in the form Pn minus 1 into Pn minus 2 into etc. into P2 into P1 into A. The method of finding the matrices Pk for k equal to 1, 2, etc. n satisfying the above requirements are as follows. Consider the kth column out of the matrix Pk minus 1 into Pk minus 2, etc. into P2 into P1 into A. Normalize this column vector and let it denoted as D1, D2, etc. Dn transpose. Let capital D equal to plus or minus the square root of dk square plus dk plus 1 square plus etc. plus dn square. Choose positive if dk less than or equal to 0. Now, let V1 equal to V2 equal to etc. equal to Vk minus 1 equal to 0 and let Vk equal to square root of 1 by 2 into 1 minus dk by capital D, P equal to minus capital D into Vk. Also, Vj equal to dj by 2p for j equal to k plus 1, k plus 2, etc. n. Then write V equal to the raw matrix 0, 0, etc. 0, Vk, Vk plus 1, etc. Vn, the all transpose where norm of V equal to 1. Now, the matrix Pk is Pk equal to I minus 2 into V transpose. These pk matrices, which will make the QR factorization of A, are Householders matrices, and hence they are orthogonal. The QR factorization of a matrix is tedious by hand, hence it is better using computer for finding eigenvalues by QR method. Now it is the time to summarize. In this module, we studied 3 more methods for finding eigenvalues of a matrix. They are Given's method, Householders method, and QR method. These methods are described in detail and the problems are also solved. Now please try to answer the following questions. Question 1. Use Given's method to find eigenvalues of the matrix A, where A is the matrix with rows 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Number 2. Using Householders method, find the tridiagonal form for the matrix A with rows 1, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, minus 1, 2, and 1. Question number 3. Find QR factorization of the matrix A with rows 3, 7, 4, 4. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye. Take care.